One of the most powerful features within Notion is their API, which gives us the ability to integrate it with other software and services. As I have discussed in another video, we have created integrations between Google Calendar and Notion to have them both synced. Let's take it a step further and check out the integration we have built out between Facebook ads, ManyChat, and Notion. This client was a realtor at a real estate agency. We set up a Facebook campaign for them that attracted people that would like to sell their property. These people, or leads as we call them, would be directed from the Facebook advert to a questionnaire on a service called ManyChat. There they would fill out the questionnaire and provide some details about themselves and their properties. Once they've completed the questionnaire, their information would automatically be sent to the small custom Notion CRM we have built out for the realtor. We did this by creating an integration between the questionnaire service we were using called ManyChat and Notion itself. As you can see, we have some dummy data here, and all of this is instantly and directly imported as soon as the questionnaire is filled out. For this specific CRM, we collected data including the first and last names, the stage that the deal is currently in, the contact information, whether they are selling the property, the time frame in they would like to sell the property, the typology of the property, the area of the property, and finally the address. Once the information is imported here, the realtor can then generate a lead template. The realtor would simply have to click on one of the imported people and then click on the lead template to generate a new lead. So let's select Port Donald over here, open it up, and then select the new prospect template. This will then generate an interaction tracker system where they can track the calls and the interactions with every lead. So let's imagine the realtor contacted this lead. The realtor would then create a new interaction, so let's call it interaction 1. Click over here, interaction 1. They would then set the median through which the interaction happened, let's say via the phone. As you can see, we have multiple options here. We're going to select the phone. They would then set the stage in which the call was left. Let's say out of all of these that the person was uncertain. They would then set the date contacted. Let's say that was today. And finally, the follow-up date, which would be a week from now. So let's set that to the 11th. The realtor can then leave a comment at the top of the lead to remind them about what was discussed in the call. Let's say that he was uncertain and needed to discuss the price with his wife. With dozens and dozens of leads coming in every month, it's going to be difficult to remember all the conversations with every lead. This is why this feature is so important, as it will simplify the process of when the realtor will need to complete the follow-up. Now, the great part of the system is the fact that when we head back to all of the leads, the follow-up date is automatically imported from the interactions to the main table, as you can see over here. This makes it easy to keep track of which leads need to be followed up and on which dates. That's pretty much it for this integration, and if you'd like a custom Notion solution that's integrated with some other services, feel free to book a call and reach out.